Welcome viewers to Startup News. I am Aishwarya Nair. My Startup TV is the world's first online TV channel for startups, investors, and enablers. On the My Startup TV app, you can watch live startup news, views, and debate. If you have a story, we will cover it. Download the app from Google Play Store. Top headlines for today are: Sachin Tendulkar joins Spinny as a strategic investor. Flipkart and Walmart invest $145 million in agri-tech startup NinjaCart. India Tech urges government to come up with guidelines for online gaming. Now the news in detail are: former Indian cricketer Sachin Tendulkar has joined pre-owned car retailing platform Spinny as a strategic investor and lead brand endorser. Spinny recently became a unicorn with the closing of $280 million in its Series E round of funding, valuing the startup at $1.8 billion. Flipkart and Walmart have invested $145 million in agri-tech startup NinjaCart. This investment will further accelerate NinjaCart's journey towards building technology and infrastructure to organize, empower, and enhance the lives of millions of agri value chain participants. India Tech, an industry association for technology startups, has urged the government to frame the guidelines for the online gaming sector based on age and genre-based classification. The industry association has also written to the Union Minister of Electronics and Information Technology, Ashwini Vaishnav, to include age-restricted content and set standards similar to the Entertainment Software Rating Board, as states can follow it based on distinctive categories. American chip manufacturer Intel Corporation is planning to invest $7 billion to expand its manufacturing capabilities in advanced semiconductor packaging technology in Penang, Malaysia. This significant Asian investment is intended to address endemic global semiconductor shortages when Washington is advocating domestic production. Indonesia-based insurtech startup Fuse has announced that it has secured $25 million of Series B extension round as it plans to expand its footprint to more countries including Thailand and Vietnam in Southeast Asia. SmartWorks, which provides managed office space, plans to invest $25 million in its new venture, SmartWorks Technology Services, to expand its product portfolio. The new firm aims to launch a building operating platform and workspace management software as a service product. The first real estate unicorn, NoBroker, is ramping up its technology team with plans to hire 200 engineers in the next 6 months. The company, which has 2,000 employees at present and has hired 52 people from leading Indian institutes of technology so far this year as a part of building its core tech team. Nodwin Gaming has announced that it has acquired a strategic 10% stake in Rusk Media. With this association, the esports company aims to deepen and widen its portfolio of content IPs in the gaming and esports ecosystem. The IPO of CE Infosystem, which runs the brand MapMyIndia, was subscribed 154 times on its final day of subscription. The IPO received bids for close to 109 crore equity shares against an offer size of 70.44 lakh shares. Hyderabad-based dialysis chain NephroPlus has raised $24 million in a Series E funding round led by IIFL Asset Management and existing investors, InvestCorp and Basemare Venture Partners. It aims to pursue growth opportunities across India and international markets. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.